Cats, the cute and cuddly rulers of the internet. And there's one thing that cats and embedded in C and C++ professionals with 5 to 9 years of experience have in common. We love them. Which is why we need you and your ability to make any kind of cat go viral. Even this one. Help us reach your friends with significant experience in test automation system development. Because in their passion for work, they missed out on all this cuteness. So if your buddy knows the ins and outs of object-oriented design concepts and approaches, share this cat-filled Hiral video to warm their hearts and help them land a cool job at HCL. And this one they won't miss, because this isn't a viral video. This, my cat-loving friend, is a Hiral.
That sounds awesome!
Did you just